I challenged myself to build a social circle in 30 days in the city of Bali, Indonesia. If I'm gonna say I'm the best there is, then I have to prove it to you. Most coaches will never do this. They'll stay in their safe comfort zone, let alone travel to a new city that no one knows them. But me, I'd rather just show you that I'm the best. I document everything from day 1 all the way to day 30. And trust me, along the way, there's a few surprises. So, without further ado, this is how to build a social circle in 30 days, Bali edition.
I don't think you want my political view.
So I'm just about to leave for Bali. First of all, I'm going to hit up everybody I know or remember that might have been to Bali or are in Bali right now. Second of all, I'm going to ask them, where's the best place to stay, and kind of get some local knowledge. When I'm on the ground, when my feet touches Bali, I'm going to be able to do the things that I need to do, which is walk the streets, which is interact with people, go on Instagram, trying to find the best spots. And then from there, then I can get like a scope of the landscape, and from there be able to go to the right places to meet the right types of people. It's our first day, you know what the vibes are. We hit the streets, we find out what Bali has to offer. Very calm, very relaxing, guys. Not a chaotic moment to have. Got in last night and then now just hitting the streets, gonna be walking around the areas. And already I've probably found that the place that I'm in is a little bit too touristy, and I need to really get into where the locals are, or get into where people that stay here for a longer time.
So one of the things I saw on my walk was this poster of Central Sea coming to Bali at Atlas nightclub, beach club. And so that was good because, we know that we have an event. And so we might not have this epic raging party, but maybe we can do something with that party, a huge artist coming to town, and we'll be able to get a day bed or a booth. And so that was good to know. The local knowledge of walking around and finding that, we already now know that we can, anyone that we meet, we can start to, hey, what are you doing for Central Sea on the 5th? What are you doing on Central Sea? What are you doing on Central Sea? And just like that, we can build something really quickly.
Let's go. What did I miss? What did I miss?
I did a bit of research, and what I was doing was not only had I taken some aesthetic Instagram photos and tagging Bali like you see here, but what I was doing is doing the geotag strategy, where I was going on Instagram and having a look, and in the geotags I was finding what cool places that I could go to. See, I don't always rely on ChatGPT or Google because they don't really know, but what I try to tend to lean towards is Instagram geotags, because I actually see that there's cute girls that go to these places, there's cool guys, and I start to see regulars. And when I see regulars, I now know that those people aren't tourists, and they're kind of the people that I can connect with. So I tend to follow them or see where they go in their highlights and their stories, and then go to those places. So in that, I'm looking for a key connector, a guy or a couple of guys that are always at the right places at the right times, the naturals, and I'm trying to find who they are and how to connect with them. We had a little bit of a look around, found a cafe literally down here, and then I got on the DMs. I hit up as many people that I knew that lived in Bali, that had a connection with Bali, and from there we were able to find that 2 people here that we do know. A good friend by the name of Ronnie, and a good friend by the name of Arlen Moore. My whole idea is that I try to not use the people that I know and really just start to kind of build out a new circle instead of just come here and like, oh, all my other friends. Here's some screenshots of what I did. And I was like, yo, bro, you still live in the city? Or like, you still around? Or hey, I'm in Bali, are you still here?
I met up with Ronnie, Ron Dogs.
Bali, my brother.
That's it. Yeah. Hit him up, and when I hit him up, he was like, yo, we're gonna go play paddle. I haven't played paddle with you. So it's the first thing he's taking me to is go play paddle.
And then here the water. And if you want to...
Can we get 2 waters? Thank you, man. Yes, sir. First day, got to get the activities going. What was your name again? My man, Sam. Nice to meet you, Im. I'll be back. I like this place. It's a good vibe. Im, nice to meet you, brother.
Day one, huh?
Day one.
Day one, you're already in the mix.
Gotta get the names, the numbers. Right? Just finished tennis with Ronnie. He beat my ass 5-2. Oh man,
Kicked his ass,
No, I won 5-2.
Ah, horse shit. Don't believe it.
Saw across the road this cool place, and we were like, oh, let's go here. And just finding out the vibe. Having a look, some of the apps that I thought were gonna work don't work, so we changed that strategy. Kicking out a sunset, me and Ronnie, he's showing me the vibes. He said this is Atlas over here, and this is another place called Finn's just above here. Again, so far it's very touristy. I don't know if that's gonna be my vibe, so this is why I picked 3 days and in my Airbnb just to check it out. and see what other places offer, because you never know, you know, you might be in the wrong spot.
So the second night with Ronnie saw us actually go on a double date, but my God, was it a shocker. It was not what I thought it was gonna be, and it was kind of a rough start. I was like, damn. Like, where should I go in Bali to find like cool guys and cute girls? Like, I'm in Canggu, where should I go?
Old man?
Old man, no, we went to Old Man. It was
Old
bad.
man,
Someone said Mexicola. Is that good?
Mexicola, yeah,
Is that good?
Mexicola also.
Where are some local spots that like tourists wouldn't know about?
It's then Pasar area.
Oh, not even here.
I think it's better for Indonesian people, right?
Okay.
So our 3 days in Canggu are over, and we are going to a completely new spot. It was the party capital. Didn't know the party capital. Hey, how long are you here for? And they were saying, I'm here for 2 days. And it's like, okay, makes sense. So this is very transitory. And what we did is I put up Instagram story. Then from there, overnight, we've had 2 people hit me up that are in Uluwatu being like, hey, you're in Bali. And so this is the power of Instagram, and this is the power of using your personal brand. The first week hasn't gone that well. I'm gonna switch it up. So we've done probably 6 days, about the first week. So I wanna make some progress with some people I don't know. And the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is starting to book in a gym. That's the very first thing that I'm gonna do. Why? Because I didn't do that in Canggu. I didn't do that in Seminyak. So I'm gonna go straight to the nearest place, sign up for a gym for a couple of days. That's gonna allow me to talk to some people. I know that I'm gonna spend some time there. I'm gonna try to find one with a sauna, cold plunge, just things that I like to do so I can spend some time there, maybe a co-working space. Number 2, we're gonna go to the beach. Number 3, I'm gonna go do some activities, and that's what we're gonna do heading into week number 2. I look at the map and I saw the beach was closed, so I was like, let me walk down there. And that's why walking is so imperative. If you hear me in every social circle challenge, I talk about walking. It's so important. When you're in your city, you want that local essence. You want that thing that everybody's going to, that live there, that are pretty much always going to be out, always going to be doing something, always tapped into the social scene. So Ronnie came down, I moved down to Uluwatu, we kicked it all night, and then we were like, all right, what are we gonna do tomorrow? So Instagram photos, you know, we're gonna get some fits going. Just connecting with a few guys and get some photos. And the G7X, the Canon does the trick. Always starts conversations off, guys. Day 7 to 11, complete write-off. I got Bali belly, which is the notorious thing that everyone gets out here. And I thought I'd be perfect, would stick by the book, eat at good restaurants. And in fact, the good restaurants were the ones that got me. So I was completely null and void. And so I really didn't do anything. So now we are like 2 weeks into the experiment and I've met a couple of different people and I'm like, oh my God, but it does look promising. I have a beautiful new villa, and that's because I connected with my buddy. It wasn't going too well in the social circle, and I was like, okay, well, let me do the thing that everyone told me, which was find people and connect with them in a villa. I hit up my boy Arlen, I was like, yo, let's get a crib. So we got this beautiful crib. And he introduced me to this guy called Daniel. You'll meet Daniel. So we went to, yesterday I signed up to the gym like I told you, and my God, was there people there. Holy hell, there was too many people. Then we're gonna go to yoga retreat, we're gonna go to other places, and that's what is like essential. I was realizing that I was trying to do this nightclub instead of like nightclub, bars, just hit it up as many people as I could, but then I'm only gonna meet people that are here temporarily. If I wanna go meet actual people, you do the actual job, which is the gyms, the fitness, the health and wellness. And I was like, now I have locked it in. We've got a couple of different things. We've got that Chainsmokers event that everyone's going to. That's coming up. So I was thinking, you know what? People throw these little parties, people throw these little get-togethers. Why don't we do something? In my research on day 2, if you remember, I was researching the key connectors of the city, and I ended up finding a guy by the name of Brian Nugent. Now, he had an Instagram that looked absolutely amazing, and I was like, wow, I forgot about this guy. I actually knew about him 6 months ago and forgot about him. And he was in Bali, and I was like, yo, this is the person that we have to connect with, because he is the guy that just has that swagger, has that vibe, is a complete natural.
And he's the guy that can help us understand Bali. And I ended up meeting him today at the gym. And so that was super cool. And he's the key connector of Bali. So I was able to introduce myself, add some value here and there, and you never know where that can lead. So you want to, as many times as possible, try to find the key connector of the city. And I knew that through Instagram, and the guy just always happens to be here. What are we doing today?
So every time I meet a new person or a stranger, I ask them to write a piece of advice, and then
Okay, Alan's writing the advice.
or just like something sentimental or quote or whatever, and then when I get back home, I get to read it.
Okay, I like it. What do we
Then I'm
got?
gonna share it with you guys.
Oh.
So I can't actually read what it says here, but I hope it's nice.
I don't know about that. Yeah, it's like, oh, I don't know. Yeah, it is. What's his one? Alright.
The infinite money glitch. At the end of the day.
But it's true that I have
Do I put it inside? Put it there?
Thank you. I can't read it.
After the Bali belly incident, I got a new sense of confidence. I was remembering things that I hadn't remembered before to do, which was the yes man theory. I did this in a previous social circle challenge and it did amazingly. So I was like, let's go do it in Bali. And I started saying yes to as many things as possible. So what'd you ask me?
What did I ask you?
Yeah, to do tomorrow.
Yoga.
At what time?
7:30.
And it's now currently what time?
We gotta go now. I'm gonna
Yeah,
call
it's like 10:30. And so this is for tomorrow, 7:30. You gotta start saying yes, right? So I'm saying yes to him. Don't feel like it, but it'll be beautiful. I got two little cuties in the back.
Hey.
We're going to the beach. And today is pretty much saying yes to everything that comes our way. So we did yoga, said yes, didn't want to, still did it. Beautiful, as you can see. Yes to the beach, yes to the cafes, yes to everything. As many yeses as possible.
This is a lesson in surrender.
Surrender.
You ignore the mind and you listen to what's put in front of you.
One of the Yes Man challenges led us to go into bamboo when I didn't feel like it at the gym, and I ended up meeting this guy by the name of Kevin. Kevin was this cool guy from Miami, and we connected and we were just talking, and he was like, yo, we've got a booth of organizing a booth at Sevilla on the Chainsmokers night. And we were like, absolutely, let's run it. Yo boys, I'm here with Mr. Brian, the person that we wanted to connect with in Bali.
Yeah, me and Sam finally connected a couple times. We're at Bamboo, the only place you should go in Uluwatu if you're looking for some baddie,
Some baddie.
fitness.
Yeah. We like that. We like that. We like a bit of baddie fitness girl. And then we're here at Wrong Gym in Canggu.
Yeah.
So we came to the same place, and literally I've seen Brian in now, what, like 4 or 5 times in the right place?
Yeah. No matter what, when you're in Bali, you're gonna be in the same space as all the other people in the area, and it's really easy to make connections out here and bump into each other.
So I'm in the final week of the Social Circle Challenge. We've done 21 days. We've been at 2 different cities. The problems that I've had is logistics-wise, and I think that they can be solved by someone like you being in a city for a little longer and knowing the logistics, knowing the right places. So we get to this place, I think it's called Paranan or Paranan or whatever it is, something like that. And I'll put it here, and that's where I found, okay, it's close to the gym, it's got great cafes, and it's a routine that I can get into. I can meet people through the routine, and from there it's become a lot easier. It's currently like 4 o'clock in the morning. Fucking chicken. So didn't have a great night. Got about 2 hours sleep, so we're just gonna move villas, start fresh,
It's a bit of a waste of a day, so I'm not happy about that, but we're gonna keep it going. All right, so we just got back to another one and we got another problem here. We've got no power, absolutely no power. This is not the start we want. 30 days. If you had 90 days, you'd be fine. 120 days, you'd be fine. You'd find the right spots. Just because in the 30 days, I'm really pushing. Some things are gonna break like this, like moving into an Airbnb from an Airbnb, and then you have no power.
Bit on me.
All right, just gonna talk politics.
I definitely.
You can hold it. It's the cutest thing ever.
Solution.
Is this a DJI?
Yeah.
So if I open my mouth, I'm gonna get canceled. So I don't think you want my political views.
Metaphorically speaking, there's someone that you know.
Happy 4th of July!
It is the 4th of July.
It is the 4th of July.
No, not yet.
So, do you want to share your political views?
Yeah, so
maybe?
apparently we should
I really don't be going out too much though.
I don't go out either.
I kind of hate going out.
It's good.
It's currently 1:10.
Fuck.
She kidnapped us.
I didn't kidnap
You did. You're saying political stuff that made me ramped up, and I love the racism.
There's no racism.
Only slight bits.
No, not me.
The final day of the Social Circle Challenge, 30 days, and what do we have in plan? Up to 30 days, we've had a lot of people leave. They come, they go, they come, they go. Right now, Brian has invited us to Open House, this place we went to last night. My buddy Adam came in, hit me up. He's going to some karaoke place. You got Central C we might go to later on. And so after 30 days to have dope ass dudes be inviting us to the coolest places, meet girls, it's sort of serendipitous. It's been a hard challenge, but it's been rewarding. It's not like the last one where we had this epic party. We've actually developed really, really core friendships. Like these are gonna last past Bali, where the last one, it was great, but it didn't last past Los Angeles. It just kind of, they fizzled out. So this is like really solid group of people. And so I'm like, yo, this is fantastic. This is really good. And I'm quite happy with how the final week went.
The final day after the challenge was done actually saw me hanging out at this one place I was going to, and I ended up meeting the owner, and I was just kicking it. All the friends had gone home. Again, transitory. I'm eating my chicken, eggs, and I look over and what do you know? Central C is about 6 foot to my left. And I was like, huh, what's up, man? And it was incredible that because we found the right places to go to, some situation like this can happen. Here's a photo I took. Obviously I didn't want to, be like, yo man, can I have a photo? Because I don't do that with celebrities, but I was like, I got to do it for the challenge. So I ended up taking a photo of him in the moped. It's a very, very funny photo of Central C. But that was the power of just being at the right place at the right time. So you've watched the video this far, you get it. You've seen me build it in our 2 cities, in Los Angeles as well as Bali. I followed a system, and as a system I have developed over years of traveling around the world, whether it's in LA, Miami, Dubai, Australia. If you want to build the same kind of lifestyle that I have in your city, and this is without wasting a lot of time on a couple of other techniques that don't work, and actually building something that people want to hang around you, people want to be in your life, as well as something that you enjoy to do. It doesn't feel like you're chasing it the whole time. I call it social life mentoring, and it's my program where I take you step by step through the journeys of building your social circle, building your social media, being able to step into a new city like I just did and have very similar results that I have. We tailor it to your city, your lifestyle, as well as your goals. So if that resonates with you, click the link down below, and what that'll take you to is a short video. Watch the short video and then book a call with me. It's Sam here, Riverdeci. I can't wait for episode 3 of how to build a social circle in 30 days.